Today we are going to be making a very delicious 4-ingredient fruit salad. So we are going to be using some watermelons, some pineapple, some pawpaw, and what is going to seal all this together is going to be I'm going to tell you guys the 4th fruit as we make the fruit salad. So keep watching to see the 4th ingredient that we are going to add in our salad. Okay, so I'm going to start by thoroughly washing all my fruits, and then I peel them, and then I go ahead to dice them. So keep watching to see how I am going to dice my fruits. I'm going to cut them into really small portions. The smaller the better, so that every spoon is going to consist of a mixture of all the different fruits, and it's going to make an amazing, delicious mouthful of fruits. Keep watching. If it's your first time here on JD's Home, you are welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by, and do well to subscribe for more amazing recipes. So generally I would like to take out the seeds of the watermelon, but there were so many seeds in this watermelon and it was a hectic process, so I just gave up altogether and decided to just dice my watermelon without taking out the seeds. But if you have the time and you're able to, please go ahead and take out the seeds. It makes it more easy to just eat. And now I present to you all the last ingredient I was talking about. Lemon has a way of just binding everything together. Have you ever peeled pawpaw and just sprinkled some lemon on it? It makes it sweeter and just tastier and fresher. So we are going to squeeze some lemon juice. I'm just taking out the seeds from the lemon. We are going to squeeze our lemon juice into our fruit mix, okay? And this is just going to take the taste to another level. It's going to make it so delicious. And when you eat a mixture of fruits, you also want to endeavor that every spoon should carry like some watermelon, some pineapple, some pawpaw, and the mixture is amazing. So this is how we came up with our mixed fruit salad. Would you like to try this? Have you tried this? Did you like it or did you not like it? I went ahead to remove some of the seeds that I could remove, and then some of the seeds of the lemon still had some seeds in it, so that's what I was taking out. And yeah, it just turned out amazing. It was so delicious. It finished in less than 30 minutes. We had about 10 bowls of fruit salad from this. I first of all served out 5 bowls, and then the rest we served out later. We have come to the end of this video. This is what our fruit bowls look like. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.